Welcome back to the channel Torque Nest. What if everything you thought you knew about SUVs was about to change? Imagine a machine that combines raw off-road dominance, futuristic technology, and premium luxury into one unstoppable package. This is the 2027 BYD Leopard Titanium 7, and it's not here to follow the rules. It's here to rewrite them. From the very first glance, this SUV commands attention. It doesn't try to blend in with the crowd, and honestly, it doesn't need to. The front design is bold and aggressive, featuring a wide, muscular grille that instantly gives it a powerful road presence. The sharp LED headlights cut through the design like blades, creating a futuristic and confident look. The sculpted hood adds depth and strength, making the entire front profile feel like it's ready to take on anything in its path. As you move along the side, the design continues to impress. The high ground clearance immediately signals serious off-road capability, while the strong wheel arches and large alloy wheels give it a planted and rugged stance. But what makes it unique is how it blends toughness with elegance. The body lines are clean yet dynamic, and small details like flush door handles and aerodynamic mirrors add a premium touch. The slightly sloping roofline gives it a sporty character without sacrificing space or practicality. At the rear, the design remains just as striking. The LED taillights stretch across with a clean and modern signature, creating a sense of width and stability. The overall rear look is solid, bold, and purposeful, exactly what you would expect from a vehicle designed to dominate both city roads and rough terrains. Step inside, and you enter a completely different world. The interior feels less like a traditional SUV cabin and more like a futuristic lounge. Every surface is carefully designed, with soft-touch materials, high-quality leather, and metallic accents that elevate the overall experience. The dashboard is minimal yet advanced, dominated by a large central touchscreen that acts as the control hub for almost everything. The seats are designed with comfort in mind. They are wide, supportive, and perfect for long drives, whether you're cruising through the city or exploring off-road trails. There's generous legroom and headroom for all passengers, making it an ideal choice for families or long road trips. Ambient lighting adds another layer of luxury, allowing you to customize the atmosphere inside the cabin according to your mood. Technology is where the Leopard Titanium 7 truly stands out. The infotainment system is fast, smooth, and packed with features. Navigation, media, vehicle settings, everything is easily accessible and beautifully displayed. The fully digital driver display provides all the essential information in a clean and modern layout. Voice control takes convenience to another level, allowing you to manage functions without taking your hands off the wheel. Connectivity is seamless. Your smartphone integrates effortlessly, giving you access to apps, music, and more. It's a vehicle that understands modern needs and delivers on them without compromise. Safety is also a major focus. The SUV comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems designed to protect you and your passengers. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system ensure that you're always in control, no matter the situation. Whether you're navigating busy streets or tackling difficult terrain, the vehicle supports you every step of the way. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where things get truly exciting. The 2027 BYD Leopard Titanium 7 is expected to feature a powerful hybrid or fully electric powertrain. This means instant torque, smooth acceleration, and impressive efficiency. When you press the accelerator, the response is immediate, delivering a driving experience that feels both powerful and refined. Off-road capability is a key part of its identity. With an advanced all-wheel drive system, multiple terrain modes, and a durable chassis, this SUV is built to handle challenging environments. Whether it's sand, mud, rocks, or steep inclines, it remains stable and confident. The intelligent suspension system adapts to different conditions, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough surfaces. For those interested in the electric variant, battery performance is expected to be highly competitive. Fast charging technology reduces downtime, while the driving range is designed to meet the demands of modern drivers. It's not just about power, it's about practicality and future readiness. When it comes to pricing, the Leopard Titanium 7 is expected to offer excellent value for what it brings to the table. You're getting a premium SUV with cutting-edge technology, advanced performance, and a bold design, all at a price that could be more accessible than traditional luxury competitors. It's a strong option for those who want something unique without stepping into extremely high price brackets. What truly sets this SUV apart is its versatility. It's luxurious enough for daily city driving, strong enough for serious off-road adventures, and smart enough to keep up with the latest technological trends. It doesn't force you to choose between comfort and capability. You get both in one package. Driving the Leopard Titanium 7 feels like stepping into the future. The quietness of the electric or hybrid system, combined with smooth handling and instant acceleration, creates an experience that is both relaxing and thrilling. It transforms every journey into something enjoyable, whether it's a short commute or a long adventure. And then there's the presence. This is not a vehicle that goes unnoticed. Its bold design and confident stance make sure that people look twice. It carries a sense of authority and innovation that's hard to ignore. It doesn't follow trends, it creates them. So if you're looking for something beyond the ordinary, something that combines power, luxury, and advanced technology in a fresh and exciting way, the 2027 BYD Leopard Titanium 7 could be exactly what you need. It represents a new direction in the SUV world, a move towards smarter, cleaner, and more capable vehicles. This isn't just another SUV launch. It's a glimpse into the future of driving. And if this is what the future looks like, then it's safe to say that the journey ahead is going to be incredibly exciting.